Hi everyone! Welcome po uli to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. Ang reading po natin ngayon is titingnan natin kung ano mga energy paparating sa inyo po for today. The moment you watch this video, this reading. This is just general, timeless, and collective readings. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. So, just leave it behind. Kung may mga mensahe na hindi para sa inyo. And move on. Okay? New viewers, welcome as well. Please also support me by subscribing, like, and if you want to do comment down below as well. Please help me build back my channel again. Let's begin your reading. So your first message for today, your first energy message, okay? Go for your dreams. Kung may pangarap ka, no? Chase it. Go for it. Huwag kang don't let anybody stop you. Nurture yourself first. So, look after yourself. Unahin mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Ano pa? Nahihirapan ako mag-shuffle po nito kasi that's how thick it is. See? Yung niya, yung card niya, yung tarot reading, yung tarot niya, tarot card. Nahihirapan ako. Ang liit kasi ng kamay ko. So, bear with me everyone, okay? Kung ikaw ay nangambisyon or one of your pangarap, no, ay mag-abroad, go. Find a way nga mag-abroad ka. Unahin mo sarili mo. Unahin mo yung dream mo na mag-come true, magkatotoo. Okay. Huwag kang magpapa-distract. Focus ka sa gusto mo. Focus ka sa dream mo. Focus ka to take care yourself. Look after yourself. Count your blessing. Retreat. Minsan pag napapagod ka, no, sa kakaisip or kung ano mang solusyon, no, to kung paano siya makuha mo yung pangarap mo, no, syempre napapagod ka minsan. Relax ka lang paminsan-minsan. Take it easy lang. And the answer might just come around. The answer might just come in a different ways. Maybe sa thoughts mo bigla na lang dumating, or maybe a sign. Kasi yung mga mo, no, bibigyan ka naman ng the divine universe is guiding you. Okay? Guiding you na through sa sign or sa dream mo ba, or even just lang nila through sa isip mo, no? That's still a blessing. That's still a blessing na binigay ni Lord sa inyo. Divine universe po sa inyo. May mga blessings din pa kunti-kunti na pumapasok sa nyo, sa life nyo, sa buhay nyo. So may blessing pa din naman. Hindi lang kalakihan po, yung may little things lang po, mga maliliit lang na bagay na that will also blessing as well, count as a blessing. Accept what is dying. Kung susuko ka na, no, sa problema mo, no, sa dream mo, no, or may hinahangad ka na prayers mo na hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa sinasagot, o sinasagot ka nga through signs pero hindi mo lang napansin na yung hinihingi mo hindi pa pala para sa'yo. Okay? Yung tanggapin mo daw na hindi talaga para sa'yo. Kaya hindi binigay. Okay. Baka may iba ka pang problema na hinahangad mo, pero hindi talaga na, ilang years na yan, hindi pa rin binibigay. Ibig sabihin, siguro binigyan ka ng sign, maybe through sa television, through sa friends, through lang sa words ng tao, or kahit ano, in a different form, shape na sign. Pagka binigyan ka pa, binigyan ka na hindi talaga para sa'yo, pero hindi mo lang siya matanggap. Dininay mo pa rin siya. Hindi mo lang siguro napansin din. Okay? And it's time to let it go. Mag-focus ka sa iba mong goals mo, sa dreams mo. Go with the flow. Kung anong takbo ng takbo ng araw mo ngayon, o takbo ng pangarap mo, no? Sige, sabayan mo lang siya. Just go with it. Just go along with it. Kasi part yan na maka-experience ka. You have to walk in that path. Just go with the flow. Kung feel mo na kailangan mo magpahinga kasi napagod ka, napuyat ka, then go for it. Go with the flow. Go with the flow with your energy. Kung anong sinasabi ng sarili mo na kailangan ka magpahinga, pahinga ka. Kailangan mo na umalis ngayon, umalis ka. Okay. Pero I'm pretty sure yung goal mo, no, may isang malaki na goal na hinihingi mo. Yun yung ang pinakamalaking hinahangad mo na wag mong papabayaan sarili mo. Okay? Kasi makukuha mo yan. May blessings na, yung blessings na yan na ibibigay yan ni Lord. Ibibigay ni Divine Universe yan. Just go with the flow muna. Kung hindi pa binigay din, just go with it. Continue, pray lang din. Have faith, no doubts. Minsan kasi madi-disappoint tayo, no? Kasi gusto mo na agad nandyan na. Pero hindi mo pa makukuha. But, sinasabihan po kayo ng Divine Universe na look after yourself, kasi pag hindi mo i-look after yourself mo po, pag makuha mo yung blessings, for example, lilipad ka na pupunta ka na ibang bansa, how can you, kung may sakit ka, nagkasakit ka, diba? Yun yung example lang po, ha. So, I feel like may mag-a-abroad siguro. Basta it's a very, very big na hinangad mo. Goal, dream mo. It's a very big one. Kung may araw talaga, no, na hindi mo pa nakuha yung sagot, syempre madidisappoint ka, but tanggapin mo lang kasi part yan ng part ng burdens mo yan that you have to go through. Okay. I feel like there's one more coming. So, let's have a look. Oh, yun. Meron nga. Tumalon siya. Okay. See? Have faith. Kakasabi ko lang. Have faith kasi ibibigay yan ni Lord. Ibibigyan ni Lord yung malaki mong malaking goals mo, dreams mo. ibibigay yan. Just have faith lang talaga. Hindi nga lang sinasabi na kailan, have faith lang. That's all I have for you today, everyone. I hope you can resonate this message. If you know someone can resonate this message, don't forget to share it as well. Don't forget also to subscribe as well. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope that I will see you in my next reading. And yeah, bye for now. Thanks for watching.